Hello friends, welcome to bisptrainings.com. My name is Sumit and in this video I am going to demonstrate you how to add plugins in Jenkins. In my previous video I demonstrated you how can we create a new job or how can we schedule a new job, as well as how can we configure to send an email automatically from Jenkins. Whenever any job fail or any build fail, it will automatically send an email to the registered email ID. So in continuation of that, I'm going to add a plugin in Jenkins to make some changes into the existing job. So let me tell you the scenario. So I'll switch to my VM player, and that was the job which I have been configured in previous sessions in previously. And as you can see here, whenever I build a job, so you can see this icon, this blue color icon, it indicates that it's a success or this job has been executed successfully. So instead of this color, I would like to display some other icon, or let's suppose I would like to download a plugin for displaying this blue color into green, or to display some other icon here. So in Jenkins, we have a feature available called plugins. So we can download some ready-made plugins, or we can download the plugins externally, and then we can upload those plugins into Jenkins, and we can use that plugin with any of our job. So first of all, let's see how can we add a plugin to the current Jenkins. So for that, I get back to Jenkins. I click on Jenkins dashboard. Then I click on Manage Jenkins. From Manage Jenkins, we have an option named as Manage Plugin. So this will help us to remove, disable, or enable plugins that can extend the functionality of Jenkins. So I click on Manage Plugins. When we click on Manage Plugins, it will give us. So there are 4 sections: updates, available, install, and advanced. So I would like to install a new plugin. So this install section will display all the installed plugins with the current subscription, with the current Jenkins, and you can see all these plugins are already configured. Email extension plugin is already configured, and there is one update is also there. So I can select it and we can select update, or we can look for all the other plugins, and anytime if you want to remove any plugin, we can simply select it and click on uninstall. So the options, the uninstall is coming only in front of few of the plugins. So all these plugins are externally plugins, and the rest of the plugins are system plugins, so we cannot remove them. Now I'm looking for a green ball plugin, so I click on available. So first of all, let's find out this green ball plugin in the installed list of directories. So I don't have these plugins installed on my system right now. So I click on available. Because it has got a huge list of plugins, so obviously it would be very difficult to find out the plugins, to scroll and look for that plugin manually. So instead of that, I simply search here and type green ball, and when I say green balls plugin, I got a green ball plugin. It changed the Hudson to use green ball instead of blue for successful build. So instead of that successful build, a green icon will appear. So I select this green ball and click install without restart. So I click on install without restart. So it will installing the plugin and configuring it. So it will, based on your internet connectivity and update center connectivity is required. So it is pending, and once it is completed, the status will change. So you can see it's installing. It may take some time, and once it is installed successfully, it will automatically turn to success. Now let's go back to the dashboard, Jenkins dashboard, and because this green ball plugin is mainly for to display the success job, instead of blue it will display in green color, green ball. So when I click on Jenkins dashboard, and let's do one thing, I select this job because this is previously built, so I select this job, or we can directly build now. So now you can see here the icon has been changed. So icon has been turned into green successfully. This indicates that the green ball plugin has successfully been installed and configured with our environment. So that's how we can configure plugins into Jenkins. So that's all in this video. I hope you found this video interesting and useful. If you have any queries, you can write to us on www.bsptrainings.com. Keep watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.